Hey there, art lovers. Today we are going to dive into an exciting and creative project, a flower clay mirror. First things first, gather your material, which is air dry clay. I'm using super light clay here. If you are comfortable with any other clay you can go ahead and use your own, a mirror, some tools and super glue. Step 1 is to create the flower shapes with your clay. You can make as many or as few as you like, but I recommend starting with at least 3 or 4 for a balanced look. Of course, you have to design in a way which you think it's most going on with the shape and the style of your own preference. Perfect for a art studio or your study studio or your own office space, or maybe you can gift it to your friend or your best friend or maybe your partner. Once your flowers are ready, let them dry completely before moving on to the next steps. Once your flowers are dry, it's time to arrange them around the mirror. Experiment with different layouts until you find that one that you like. Here's a tip. Arrange first, then start sticking on the mirror so you don't feel lost during the process, because I did once and it was like, what am I doing right now? Once all flowers are stick to its place, I recommend let it sit for 30 minutes before hanging it on the wall for better results. And there you have it, your very own flower clay mirror. I absolutely love how mine turned out. So thanks for joining for this tutorial. I really appreciate you liking this video or leave a comment if you think I should do more. Thanks for watching. Mimi Creates.